In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for weekly planning. Trello is an incredibly versatile tool that can help you organize your tasks and maximize your productivity. Whether you're planning out your work week or organizing personal to-dos, Trello's simple interface is perfect for visual thinkers. Let's dive right in. First things first, you're going to navigate to Trello's website. Once there, you'll encounter options for logging in. You can choose to log in using an email and password, or you might prefer using your Google or Microsoft accounts if you want that seamless sign-in experience. It's all about making it as straightforward as possible for you. Now that we're signed in, it's time to create our board, the central hub of our planning process. Think of this board as your blank canvas, where all your weekly activities will live. With Trello, creating a board is as simple as a few clicks, and you can customize it to your liking. Be sure to give it a name that aligns with your planning goals, such as weekly planning or my weekly schedule. With our board set up, we'll move on to creating lists. Lists represent the days of the week, and you can add as many as you need, including weekends. It's important to align these lists with how you structure your week. Additionally, consider adding a backlog or next week list. These can capture tasks that don't quite fit into the current week but are still on your radar. A done list is also beneficial. It allows you to move completed tasks here, giving you a visual sense of accomplishment. Next up, let's create cards for each of your tasks or events. Cards on Trello are where you'll detail all your to-dos. Start by giving each card a clear, concise title that quickly conveys what the task involves. On the back of the card, you can dive deeper by adding descriptions, attaching files, setting due dates, and even adding labels for better categorization. Speaking of due dates, setting them will help you align tasks with your calendar and keep your deadlines in check. Using labels is a great way to add another layer of organization. You can categorize tasks by project, priority, or type. Within each card, break down larger tasks with checklists to make them more approachable. And Trello makes it easy to rearrange your schedule. Simply drag and drop cards between lists to keep your planning flexible. As you continue to use Trello, consider integrating it with your Google Calendar or Outlook calendar. This allows you to visualize your schedule and see deadlines more clearly. Additionally, Trello's calendar view gives you a snapshot of your tasks and events in a familiar layout. Finally, at the end of your week, it's time to review your progress. Move all completed tasks to the done list and shift any unfinished tasks to the backlog or next week list for future planning. This reflection not only helps you assess what you've accomplished, but also allows you to recalibrate for the coming weeks. And there you have it, a seamless way to manage your weekly tasks using Trello.